Oh, shucky duck, it worked. What's up, my beautifuls? How are we? Welcome back to another episode of Air Beauty. I am your host, Angie. So I am going to get right into this video. Yes, I'm going to hit, sorry y'all, making sure that my camera was actually recording. I'm going to get right into this video. I hope you guys are doing a great day. But before I get into this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And tell anyone and everyone that you know about what's going on over here with Angie. So guys, we are doing a wig review and I am so excited. So here we go. I ordered this wig from Amazon. It says best design gives you the best. This wig was actually $16.99 and I had a coupon for $3 off. Ooh, they sent some lashes. Some lashes. Wig cap. Y'all, I don't know why they sent me a tan wig cap, but we're gonna see if we can make it work. Wishing you peace and happiness. Ooh. And then here comes the beautiful wig. This wig is by, I forgot the name of the seller, but I'll link it in the description box. But look at it. This is a bob wig. It is so nice. It is not human hair. Y'all, it is synthetic. It smells like a beauty supply store. This is my first time ordering a wig off of line. First time ever. I've never ordered a wig off line before. And this came from Amazon. It says Ashter Beauty. Your beauty is your glory. I like that. I might have to take that tagline. Look at that, y'all. See it? This is where it actually, the company, if y'all can see it. It says, don't take the tag off when gently trying it on. New styles, new feelings, new you. Your beauty is your glory. AISI hair. So guys, this is a shoulder length wavy bob with a middle part. Ooh, shit. Y'all, I got a lace on the front. There's a lace on the front. See the lace? Ooh. Not sure why this lace is on here. And it didn't say that it was going to have a lace. But this is what it looks like underneath. It has a comb here, comb there, comb there. And it also has a comb in the back along with the two adjustable straps. Guys, I have a little head, so sometimes I have to like super tie these to make them stay on my head. So I'm assuming I probably have to cut the lace. So we'll see. The last time I purchased a wig and did lace, it was a hot mess, y'all. When I say a hot mess, it was a wear for one day. And the lace is there. See that lace in the front? So I'm assuming I just line it up and trim the lace off. I'll trim it off when I get it on. But look at that, nice and full. Run your fingers through. This is, I think, a 1B. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is a 1B. And I figured since I got my lashes on today, I might as well go ahead and try it out. And they sent some free lashes. I gotta get some good lash glue. These lashes that I have on now, guys, are the magnetic lashes. Can you guys recommend a good eyelash glue for me? And then I'll buy some and I'll start working on trying to put those on. This is a deluxe wig cap. Comment below if you guys have ever purchased any wigs from Amazon before. Y'all, this might not be a good idea, but oh, it's 2. It said 2 pieces on the pack, but we're gonna go with it anyway. We're gonna go with it anyway, just for protection. Oh, and I just put my hair in 2 cornrows, y'all, straight natural. I sprayed some aloe vera water and juice mixture on it, and I think I put some oil on it. But I should have a black stocking cap or a brown one. But if I have to put makeup in it, I will, just to hide it. There is a part, but you can't see through it. So if I put makeup on it, it'll be on the part. Hey guys, here we go. Let me adjust this to my head. We're gonna put it to the furthest latch in the inside. See that? That one's already hooked. And then I'm gonna hook this one a little ways over further. Cause like I said, my head is little. And then I can adjust it once I get it on. So here we go. It feels loose already. And they get, ooh, I can't see. Okay, guys, we are back. My camera cut off, so here we go. We're gonna chunk her back on. She's a little loose, and I got a different mirror too, guys. Because that 7 times was jacking a girl up. And for those of you that are new to wigs or never tried wigs, they normally have like little tags here where you could like line these tags up. If you're having a problem with adjusting your wig, just line those tags up right there. When you line those tags up, then you got it going on. You should be able to feel them. But this is a little looser than what I would prefer. So I'm going to adjust the straps, the comb, because you want your wig to be secure. You don't want to feel like you don't have anything on. And if it's a windy day outside, I'm gonna take this off and adjust it because I can't see it. If it's windy out, we'll adjust the other side. And again, guys, it has a comb in the back and it has 2 combs on the side. So I adjusted a little bit more for my scalp, for my big old little head, my small head. Okay, now that feels better. And then you're gonna adjust. I could still make it a little bit tighter, guys, if I wanted to. And then you're gonna try to get your lace lined up. Alright, lace is out. And this is not human hair, y'all. This is a synthetic blend. I love the packaging. It says stamped glorious short wavy wig for daily use. I like the bag. It's a nice bag. Nice packaging. So let me get it on and then we'll go through. Adjust my ears before I get to put the combs in. Combs on that side. I should have opened it and looked at it so I could adjust my braids according to the combs. Okay. Is that the center? That's pretty much the center. Kind of line it up with you. I gotta come over here. Yep. You're gonna pull it all off. That's pretty much where I want it. I'm comfortable with that. And my comb in the back. Yo, this is cute. Yam. Yam. I love wet and wavy. I love, it says shoulder length. Wow, this is cute. Ooh. We're gonna attempt to do some beta hairs. Yo, I got this pimple on the side of my head. Act like y'all don't see it. Pretend like y'all don't see it. Okay. Y'all, my lashes. These lashes are the magnetic lashes. This is my 30s. The last time I did a live, y'all, I could not get them back on. The magnet. See, to me that felt like it's too. I should have brought some clips so I can pull this back and trim it. Yeah, improvise. We gonna improvise with that comb. I've seen some people pull their lace off or cut it before they put it on, but I'm gonna cut mine off while I got it on my head. Yeah, my lips look husky, but that's just the lip gloss that I'm wearing, the lipstick. I feel like this is my anchor. I have some Gotta Be glued, and I think I'm gonna go and get some. I don't have the gel, but I have the spray. Let me get it. Got the lace off already. I'm gonna pull this back. Just a little. Just to spray that on a little bit. And I'm gonna take a look. Okay guys, we are putting on the finishing touches and I am pretty much excited about the end result. It's my first time doing a wig with a piece of lace on it. So guess what? I'm loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it wasn't too long for you guys. Please make sure that your notification bell is on so when I go live or post a video, you guys will always be in the know. Here is the final results. Look, and look. Yeah, I had so much fun. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember that beauty starts on the inside of you. So stay beautiful.